Today is a very special day on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with Thomas and his friends in an amazing train set that magically comes to life. Collect many new toys to build and customize your train set your way. Today, all the engines will be really useful. Welcome back to your very own magical train set. Help the passengers get into the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching colour. That's perfect. Wobbling wheels! Your engine was really happy to help. Can you find your way to the surprise pack? Look for the giant beam of light. That's the way. Just slice across it or tap it to open. A new wagon. Your engine would love to pull that. Good job. Only the boldest of engines will try Crazy Coaster Mountain. Steer your engine through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep your engine on fumbling fenders. Swipe left or right to keep your engine on. Good job. That was very exciting. Time to pick a special surprise. Follow the beam of light to find your surprise pack. Great! Just slice across it or tap it to open. Choose a direction. Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Right, next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We need to send the other engines on their way. Use the wheel to spin the turntable. Good job! Excellent! Your engine was really happy to help. Choose a new surprise pack. Help your engine find the surprise pack. Where should we go next? Left leads to... Forward leads to... The engines love that. The pig farm is near. Go, go! Oh no, some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into the super? That was great! Time to pick a special surprise. Follow the beam of light to find your surprise pack. Lights out. Choose a direction. Right leads to the Great Waterton Station is coming up. Left leads to Water Slap. The Great Waterton Station is coming up. The passengers have all reached their destination, and thank you very much. Does your engine have the courage to jump the big bridge? Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make your engine go, go, go. Your engine loves your train set. Choose a new surprise pack. Can you find your way to the surprise pack? Look for the giant beam of light. Where should we go next? To the Brendam Docks. Let's go! Can you help Cranky the Crane unload our friendly engine and put the special deliveries onto the boat? Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Great! Excellent! Your engine had such a good time. Time to pick a special surprise. Help your engine find the surprise pack. Lights on. The engines love that. The steamworks are just ahead. Help your engine cool their pistons with a refreshing wash at the steamworks. Just touch where you want to spray. Make sure you don't miss a spot. You helped your engine be really useful. Choose a new surprise pack. Can you find your way to the surprise pack? Look for the giant beam of light. Choose a direction. Left, onwards to the big bridge. Left leads to the big bridge. Onwards to the big bridge. Does your engine have the courage to jump the big bridge? Your engine had a lot of fun. Take your pick of any surprise you like. Follow the beam of light to find your surprise pack. Help the passengers get into the carriage. Drag each of them to the... That's the way. Trembling tracks. You helped your engine be really useful. Which special surprise will you choose this time? Can you find your way to the surprise pack? Look for the giant beam of light. Where should we go next? Right, lead. Right leads to Henry's Tunnel. Left leads to